Now let's start the structure of sperm. The outer covering is known as the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. Okay. The outer covering is known as the plasma membrane. This part, anterior portion of the nucleosome, is known as the acrosome. Acrosome. What is the function of this acrosome? First point, used in fertilization. This acrosome part only penetrates the ovum, okay? And the second part, it is the modified Golgi apparatus. Okay, this is the two part related to acrosome. This part is the nucleosome. Okay, which contains the chromatin material. This part, constricted part, is known as the neck portion. These three parts make up the head portion. Okay, this is the middle part. Okay, the middle part contains cylindrical structures which is known as the mitochondria. Okay, the mitochondria helps in the energy, gives the energy for swimming of sperms. Okay, and the final part is the tail. It helps in locomotion and direction change. Okay, now two more important points related to the sperm. First, during a coitus it ejaculates 200 to 300 million sperms. Okay, ejaculates 200 to 300 million sperm during one coitus. Okay, second part is the 60% of 60% are of normal shape and size, and 40% out of this 60% show vigorous motility. Okay, so this was the total structure of sperm, and these are the three important points related to the structure of sperm. Okay, so thank you.